Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a good Friday. Um, so we got another unboxing to do. Uh, I know I haven't been active on here for a while. Blaming on procrastination. Also, this is not the only channel that I'm procrastinating on. Um, so yeah, I haven't been anywhere. Haven't been to a lot of sites and whatever. Um, yeah, just been busy with school and work, which had come to an end. Yes, I am finished with school. No diploma. I mean, no degree. I'm sorry. No degree. I gotta wait till May for that. And also, I'm in between jobs because the job I was in previously was part of the work study program with my school. And since I'm done with school, I gotta go elsewhere. So, um, I'm currently interested in one company at the moment. Um, Plan on getting back to work in uh, January. So, alright. Got packing peanuts. Gonna take this out. Eight, 5, 9, 4, 3. Can you guess what it is? Well, you already seen the title of the video. You know what it is already. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. It is. Oh. It is the brand new Caterpillar 349 FL, made by Diecast Masters. Finally got one. Thanks to my buddy Diecast Emporium. I finally got one. I was planning on getting it next year. Oops. And here goes Bob. And we got a new 2018 guide. Okay, where's the finger holes? This and here. It's been a while since I unboxed a model. Since August. Oh, would you look at that. Oh yeah, if you guys wondering, yes, I'm using my old camera, which is a Nikon D3200. The reason why I'm using this because, you know, I can autofocus with the camera. The Canon, however, I gotta shut off the video and start focusing, then turn it back on, which is a pain. Here it is. I fell in love with the 349 when classic construction models came out with it a couple years ago. And the reason why I didn't get it is that it was way out of my price range. And now Diecast Masters came out with an affordable version of it. I might get the CCM version, but now it's not the time for it. Alright, it's stiff. I like that. Yeah. It's a pretty cool model. Thank you, Diecast Emporium, for a clean transaction. And it goes perfectly with my collection. Unfortunately, I'm not going to pose it on my lowboy. I wanted to get a Rogers 4-axle lowboy. So, yeah. Really love this. Alright, thank you guys for watching. There is another unboxing video, but it's not going to be on this channel. It's going to be on my main channel, which is going to be posted over here somewhere. Check that out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.